Now this is given. We'll start with let x by a equals to y by b equals to z by c. We take something, we take generally k. That's constant because these three values are equal, so we are taking the value as k. So therefore we can say that x by a equals to k, and therefore I can say that x equals to ak. Similarly y equals to bk, y by b equals to k, that means y is equal to bk and z equals to ck. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to put these values in place of x. I'll put ak, y I'll put bk, and in place of z we'll put ck. In this left hand side and right hand side, now we'll solve them separately. Say LHS, I got this, and then in place of x I'll put this, y I'll put this, and z I'll put ck, and then simplify this, the normal method, and as much possible I'll try to simplify, and okay, it will be completed, and then again I will solve RHS, and again there also I will put the values there, and at last I will find that the value of LHS and the value of RHS will be equal. So that's all. In all these sums that I will do today, we will find in all these cases I will do the same thing. Okay, so for example, say I'll put here what, AK whole cube, so that becomes AK whole cube by a square plus BK whole cube by b square plus ck whole cube by c square. I will simplify this. A cube k cube by a square plus b cube k cube by b square, c cube k cube by c square. Now finally what I get after cancelling, I get this. So finally I get a k cube plus b k cube plus c k cube, or we can also say I can take a cube common, I'll get a plus b plus c. Now that's finished. I can't simplify it further. Now same thing, now what I'll do, I'll solve RHS, and after solving RHS I'll find this value. Okay, so just see. Now RHS, if you see what I got, x plus y plus z whole cube, and then a plus b plus c whole square. Now put the values in place of x. What I put, ak plus bk plus ck whole cube, and then a plus b plus c whole square. I can take k common inside. I get what, k a plus b plus c and this whole cube by a plus b plus c and whole square. Okay, now see, this means what, k this whole cube, this actually means what, k cube, and then a plus b plus c whole cube, and here what you get, a plus b plus c whole square. Now see, this whole cube and this is square, this full, and will get cancelled, and finally you are left with k cube and a plus b plus c, and therefore finally you can write LHS equals to RHS, and hence proved. Okay, understand? So you just copy this sum, take the screenshot, and then you copy this sum. Okay. Okay, so the next sum. Here you can see it's given ABC are in continued proportion. That means what? We'll start with let. Continued proportion means A by B equals to B by C equals to K. And therefore, we can say what? A is equal to BK, B is equal to CK. So I can say that A by B is equal to K. So A is equal to BK, B is equal to CK. But here also in place of B I will put CK and into K. So finally what I got? A equals to CK square. Understand? Okay, so A is equal to BK and B is equal to CK. Now since B means CK, so here in place of B I'll put CK. So finally I got A is equal to CK square, B is equal to CK. Now here also in the left hand side and right hand side separately we'll put this value. What we'll put? In place of A we'll put CK square, in place of B we'll put CK, and in place of C I'll put it as C. Okay, so left hand side, so ABC, A plus B plus C whole cube. Now put the value. So what I get? CK square then into CK into C, and then again CK square plus CK plus C, and then whole cube. I got here C cube, and K square into K I get K cube, and here also I can take C common. I get what? K square plus K plus 1 and whole cube. Finally I got C cube, K cube. You see this is C cube, and then K square plus K plus 1 whole cube. Understand? So C cube and C cube we got C6 K cube and K square plus K plus 1 whole cube. Okay, so I can't simplify more, so I will leave it in this way. Now when I solve right hand side properly, again I'll see that this LHS and RHS value will be same. Okay, so see RHS is this AB plus BC plus CA whole cube, right? So AB again, A means CK square, B means CK, again B means CK, C means C, here C means C and A means CK square and whole cube. So you get what? I get here C square K cube plus C square K plus C square K square and whole cube. So finally what I get? Now from this inside you can see we can take a C square common and a K common. So when I take C square and K common, here I am left with what? K square. C square K here means, so it's 1, and C square K square, it's outside is C square K, so I get what? What is left here? K. And finally I get what? Whole cube. So you can understand I'm getting it. And now you see it's whole cube means C square whole cube becomes C6 K cube, and then K square plus K plus 1 and whole cube, and therefore LHS is equal to RHS, and we get hence proved. So that's hence proved. Okay, understand? Okay, so copy it. Okay, so the next sum, here you can see they told A, B, C, D, 4 quantities are in continued proportion. So similarly we will start. Let A by B equals to B by C equals to C by D equals to K. Understand? Because it's continued proportion, so A by B equals to B by C equals to C by D equals to K. So what I get? I get A is equal to BK, B is equal to CK, and C equals to DK, right? but still. Now in place of B I can put ck here, so I get A is equal to what? Ck square. And similarly in place of C I can put dk. So what I get? Dk into k square. So finally I get dk cube. Understand the value of A as dk cube. Similarly in this case also d equals to ck and c means dk. So in place of c I'll put dk and dk into k, that becomes dk square. So finally now you can understand what I will do. I'll solve LHS first. In place of A I will put dk cube. In place of B I will put dk square. In place of C I will put dk, and in place of D I will leave it as d. So I'll solve LHS and RHS, nothing to solve. So we'll get it. Okay. So you see LHS, that is A cube plus B cube plus C cube, and then B cube plus C cube plus D cube. So A cube means what? dk cube and whole cube. B cube means dk square whole cube. C cube means dk and whole cube. Similarly B cube here also means dk square whole cube. C cube means dk whole cube, and d cube will remain as d cube. Okay, now we will simplify this. What I get? This one I get d cube and k9. D cube k9 plus d cube k6 plus d cube k cube. And here what I got? I got here d cube k6 plus d cube k cube and plus d cube. Now I can take common here. What I can take common? I can take d cube k cube common. You can see d cube k cube common in the numerator, d cube k cube. So what it is left here? D cube k9. So I get here k6. Again k cube here, and I get 1. Right? And this one in the denominator I can take d cube common. So d cube, what is left here? Again you see k6 plus k3 plus 1, and finally you see these two get cancelled. Sorry, in fact this is k cube, and d cube and d cube get cancelled, and you are left with k cube. So this is LHS. Now RHS, it's simple. A by D. Now you remember A means what? dk cube by D is equal to k cube, and finally LHS is equal to RHS, and hence proved. Okay, so very simple. So you should try all the sums. All methods are same. If it is a continued proportion, I'll write A by B is equal to B by C is equal to C by D, like this. And if it is a normal proportion, for example, if they say A, B, C, that A, B, C, D, in that case I'll take A by B equals to